Bitcoin wallets. Which one is best for you? If you've decided to invest in Bitcoin, you need to have the right tools to secure your assets and keep them safe from hackers and malware. Different types of wallets exist, and each one has different features that may be perfect for your situation and preferences. But with so many options out there, it can be difficult to determine which wallet is best for you and what features are most important in making your decision. In this guide on the best Bitcoin wallets, we'll cover the basics of wallets, as well as what features each type provides to help you decide which wallet is best for you. Desktop wallets. Desktop wallet are applications that you download and install on your computer. Once installed, they will generate your private keys locally. The main advantage of desktop wallets is that they allow you to create a complete backup of your wallet with just one click. This can be easily done by creating a file on an external device, such as a USB stick or SD card. If your computer crashes, then all of the bitcoins in the wallet can be recovered with the backup file. Electrum and Armory are two popular choices among desktop wallets. Mobile wallets. There are many mobile Bitcoin wallet apps available for iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. You can find a list of the most popular wallets in Wiki. If you are using your mobile as your primary or only Bitcoin wallet, I would recommend using an app with multi-sig functionality, such as Copay. This will give you peace of mind that even if your phone is lost or stolen, your bitcoins can't be spent without access to the backups. However, this also means that it's important to make sure those backups are backed up elsewhere. For example, on a USB stick, since there have been cases where people lose their phones but their backup drive remains intact. An online wallet like Coinbase or Circle should not be used as your only wallet because they're connected to the internet 24/7 and therefore vulnerable to hacking attempts at all hours of day. Mycelium, iOS, is a good option for an online wallet if you're looking for something easy with more security features than Coinbase or Circle. Paper wallets. A paper wallet is a physical document that contains the information necessary to access your bitcoins. The Bitcoin address, or public key, can be generated through an offline computer on a machine not connected to the internet. Paper wallets are often created using an SPV client because they provide the benefits of security and simplicity. They are relatively easy to create and take minutes if done properly. Paper wallets can be created with a variety of tools online, but it is advised to use one that has been proven trustworthy by a third party or known developer. There are many different ways in which people choose to generate their private keys, including the aforementioned offline computer. However, this requires that one generate new addresses every time. Web wallet. A web wallet, also known as a hosted wallet, means that your Bitcoin is stored on the provider's website. This type of wallet allows users to send and receive Bitcoins with an internet connection without having to install any software. The user interface is usually very basic and lets users simply enter the amount they want to send, and then either scan their mobile phone or copy-paste an address. Some providers are starting to offer features like simplified payment verification, SPV, so it's more secure than just storing your keys on a browser extension. Online hosted wallets. One of the best ways to protect your Bitcoin wallet is to host it online. Doing so means you never have to worry about physical security, and if someone gains access to your computer, they can't take your coins unless they also manage to access your password. You'll need a dedicated, up-to-date device that isn't shared with anyone else who might use it as a gateway into your account. The important thing is not where you host the wallet but how easy it will be to get at your bitcoins when needed and what types of fraud protection are available. If you have an account with an online broker or bank, most likely they offer a service that's similar in nature. Hardware and software. A hardware wallet looks like a USB drive. You connect it to your computer and send bitcoins from your software wallet to the hardware device. This device stores your private key on the offline computer, so when you want to spend bitcoin, all transactions are signed on the offline machine and then transferred over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to the online machine where they are broadcasted out onto the Bitcoin network. If you've learned something, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video.